Are you looking for the best electric nail guns in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best electric nail guns that are available on the market.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Number 5. DeWalt Cordless Brad Nailer. You can tackle personal projects by using this brad nailer. The tool-less jam release lever lets you instantly get back to your work. Moreover, the cordless, battery-powered module makes operation convenient for individuals. This electric nail gun helps you to clear the nail jams in no time. Nevertheless, you never have to use compressors, gas cartridges, and hoses. Furthermore, the brushless motor of this nail gun runs without any maintenance. The micro nose lets you increase your line of sight accuracy. The depth adjustment function also offers hassle-free countersinking of nails. However, you can have the best nail placement. Therefore, this tool is suitable for non-professionals. Number 4. PorterCable Cordless Brad Nailer Kit. This electric nail gun works without compressors, hoses, and gas cartridges. The 1.5 Ah rechargeable battery never troubles you with charging. Moreover, the cordless brad nailer comes along with an integrated belt hook. You can use this model for driving the 18-gauge nails. However, the depth adjustment wheel lets you customize the drill sizes accordingly. The rapid release mechanism also lets you clear the nail jams quickly. Furthermore, the depth adjustment window increases the practicality of this model. The multi-function front-positioned LED light serves as the work light. Nevertheless, this machine comes with a tool-less stall release lever. The magazine can hold up to 100 pieces of nails at once. Number 3. VHTOP Cordless Staple Gun. This electric nail gun comes with a see-through magazine window. Therefore, you can also timely reload this magazine. Moreover, this 4-volt nail gun comes along with a triple lock mechanism. This power tool offers safety to users during operation. This nail stapler runs without any maintenance. Nevertheless, the LED level indicator lets you see the battery status instantly. The dual mode lets you switch between contact actuation and sequential. Furthermore, this cordless gun involves the construction of industrial-grade material. The 1.5 Ah lithium-ion battery makes this machine run without any complication. However, a single charge makes this device drive up to 1,000 shots. Number 2. CHEMO Cordless Brad Nailer. The battery-operated cordless electric nail gun makes operation complication-free. The dual-mode toggle switch also increases the efficiency of this model. Moreover, this model lets you pick between contact actuation and sequential. This lightweight power tool works well with 3/4 to 2-inch long nails. However, the nail gun is compatible with 3/4 to 1/5/8 inch long staples. The LED light of this model works as a functional work light. Furthermore, this model runs on a 2.0 Ah lithium-ion battery. A single charge lets you drive up to 700 brads into the wood. Nevertheless, the rotation knob helps you to change the firing depth accordingly. Number 1. Noimaster Brad Nailer. Handling a personal project becomes hassle-free with this electric nail gun. This power tool is also the best choice for woodworking. Moreover, the power-adjustable knob lets you customize the nailing strength easily. This set includes 336 pieces of staples and 200 counts of nails. Nevertheless, this staple gun has a soft handle. Therefore, without any tension, you can operate this instrument for hours. This over-molded grip also makes operation convenient for hours. Furthermore, you can use this handy tool for installing sheets. The quick release mechanism makes this model quite practical. However, this tool is capable of driving 30 shots in a minute.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.